Let's define what the carrier update failed error on AT&T devices actually means. It's a glitch that happens when your phone tries to install new carrier-specific firmware. These updates are essential for optimal cellular connectivity, security, and features like VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, and access to emergency services. When this update fails, you might experience dropped calls, slow data speeds, or problems with AT&T specific features. The error usually stems from a mismatch between your device's operating system, the carrier firmware, and the AT&T network infrastructure. Don't worry, we'll guide you through fixing it. Several factors can cause carrier update failures. These include network congestion during the update process, corrupted download files, or SIM card issues. Sometimes it's simply due to outdated device hardware. The update process involves downloading a small firmware package, typically 5 to 50 megabytes, that modifies baseband settings. If your device loses internet connection mid-update, or if the firmware is incompatible, the update will fail. Outdated hardware can also be a factor, especially with older iPhone models. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, restart your device. This often resolves temporary software glitches. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. This can refresh your connection to the AT&T network. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection before attempting the update again. These simple steps resolve a surprisingly large number of carrier update issues. If the over-the-air update fails, try manually updating your iPhone using iTunes on older macOS versions or Finder on newer macOS versions. First, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Next, open iTunes if you're using an older macOS version or Finder if you're on a newer version. Once open, select your iPhone from the device list in the sidebar. Important: make sure you back up your iPhone before beginning the update process to protect your data. Then, click the Check for Update or Update button. This method bypasses network congestion for a more stable process. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the update. Resetting network settings can resolve carrier update issues by clearing saved network configurations. On iPhones, start by opening the Settings app and navigating to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. This will clear Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings. On Android devices, the process is similar. Go to Settings, find General Management or Reset options, and select Reset Network Settings. After resetting, you'll need to reconfigure your network connections, but this often fixes underlying issues preventing updates. If previous troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the carrier update failure, the next step is to contact AT&T support directly for personalized assistance. AT&T support can provide specific guidance tailored to your device and account details. AT&T customer support representatives are equipped to provide personalized guidance based on your specific device model and account details. The My AT&T app now includes AI-driven diagnostic tools that can automatically analyze your device's connection issues. You can submit device logs directly through the My AT&T app, enabling instant fixes based on the diagnostic data. AT&T support can also check for any known issues in your geographic area that might be causing update failures. AT&T's support teams have access to advanced tools and internal information that can help resolve even the most complex carrier update issues. The industry is trending toward more seamless, automated network management, where updates happen smoothly without user intervention. This automation reduces errors and improves overall connectivity. Hybrid updates, which combine over-the-air downloads with in-store options, are becoming more common to mitigate failures. This approach provides multiple pathways for successful updates, especially for users in challenging network conditions. AT&T has implemented AI-assisted diagnostics to reduce support tickets. These intelligent systems can analyze device logs and automatically resolve common issues, making troubleshooting faster and more efficient for users. Experts predict that by 2028, manual fixes will be nearly eliminated thanks to end-to-end encryption and blockchain-verified updates. This technology ensures updates are secure and tamper-proof, preventing failures before they occur. AT&T is investing heavily in network resilience, aiming for zero downtime updates. This means updates will happen seamlessly, without disrupting service, through advanced infrastructure improvements. To summarize, the AT&T carrier update failed error can be frustrating, but it's usually fixable with the steps we've covered. Remember to try the quick fixes first, then move on to manual updates or resetting network settings. If all else fails, AT&T support is there to help. Stay informed about the latest updates and potential issues by monitoring AT&T's official support site and relevant tech forums. By staying proactive, you can minimize the chances of encountering this error in the future.